Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be diving into the exquisite world of traditional fashion with none other than the stunning Sai Pallavi. She is known not just for her acting prowess but also for her impeccable fashion sense, often graces us with her traditional looks that are both elegant and timeless. Let's take a closer look at some of her standout traditional fashion choices. First up, we have Sai Pallavi in a resplendent silk sari. Whether it's a vibrant Kanjivaram or a subtle Banarasi, Sai Pallavi effortlessly carries the richness of silk with grace and poise. The choice of intricate jewelry complements her sari, adding a touch of tradition to her look. Moving on to another classic choice, the Anarkali suit. Her love for Anarkalis is evident in how she chooses vibrant colors and intricate embroidery. The flowing silhouette adds a regal charm to her presence, making it a go-to option for festive occasions. Lehengas are a staple in Sai Pallavi's ethnic wardrobe. From festivals to weddings, she knows how to make a statement. Her choice of contrasting colors, coupled with detailed embellishments, showcases her keen eye for traditional aesthetics. The actress pays equal attention to accessories and hairstyles. Whether it's traditional jhumkas, a bindi, or perfectly styled braids, every detail is meticulously chosen to enhance the overall traditional look. Sai Pallavi often steps out in palazzo suits paired with a dupatta, offering a contemporary take on traditional Salwar suits. The combination of vibrant prints and solid colors showcases her versatility in effortlessly merging the old and the new. Breaking away from conventional sari draping, the actress embraces modern variations. Whether it's a stylish dhoti sari or a pre-draped concept sari, she brings a fresh perspective to this timeless attire. Jacket lehengas are another trend that Sai Pallavi embraces wholeheartedly. The addition of a beautifully adorned jacket to the classic lehenga ensemble adds a touch of sophistication, making it perfect for both traditional and contemporary settings. Temple jewelry is a constant feature in Sai Pallavi's traditional ensemble. The intricate designs, inspired by temple art, beautifully complement her attire, adding a touch of cultural richness and heritage to her look. A nose ring and mang tikka are her go-to accessories, enhancing the traditional charm. Whether it's a subtle stud or an elaborate nath, paired with a gracefully adorned mang tikka, these pieces complete her traditional look with finesse. The actress often opts for the earthy charm of Kolhapuri chappals. These handcrafted sandals not only add authenticity to her ethnic looks but also showcase a commitment to promoting traditional craftsmanship. Her hairstyles play a crucial role in enhancing her traditional avatars. From cascading curls to sleek buns, each hairstyle is carefully chosen to complement the overall look. The addition of a bindi further accentuates her traditional aesthetic. In addition to her impeccable styling, Sai Pallavi collaborates with renowned designers, often choosing outfits that seamlessly blend traditional craftsmanship with contemporary designs. Her association with certain brands reflects her commitment to promoting Indian textiles and fashion. Her traditional fashion choices not only make a style statement but also contribute to preserving and promoting the rich heritage of Indian fashion. Her commitment to elegance and cultural authenticity is evident in every outfit she dons. During festive occasions, Sai Pallavi often opts for vibrant colors and intricate embellishments. Anarkali suits, lehengas, or saris adorned with festive motifs showcase her penchant for celebrating cultural traditions with a modern twist. The actress graces weddings in ensembles that strike the perfect balance between grandeur and grace. From opulent silk saris to heavily embroidered lehengas, her wedding looks are a testament to her impeccable taste in traditional bridal fashion. Even in casual settings, she effortlessly incorporates ethnic elements into her wardrobe. An everyday kurta paired with palazzo pants or a simple cotton sari exemplifies her ability to infuse traditional charm into everyday wear. Sai Pallavi, being deeply rooted in her South Indian heritage, often showcases traditional attire during regional celebrations. Whether it's donning a Kasavu sari for Onam or a vibrant Pochampalli sari for a Telugu festival, she pays homage to her cultural roots with style. Beyond fashion, her commitment to sustainable and handloom fabrics is commendable. She frequently promotes eco-friendly choices, encouraging her followers to embrace traditional fashion with a conscious mindset. Her traditional fashion choices not only reflect her personal style but also contribute to the broader cultural narrative. Her influence extends beyond the screen, inspiring a generation to take pride in their cultural heritage through fashion. The actress often opts for a minimalist approach to makeup, focusing on enhancing her natural beauty. Soft eyeshadows, muted lip colors, and a subtle glow bring out the elegance in her traditional looks. To balance the understated elegance of her attire, the actress occasionally opts for statement lips. Deep reds, maroons, or bold pinks add a touch of glamour to her traditional look, creating a striking visual impact. Her makeup often features a dewy finish, giving her a fresh and radiant appearance. This choice not only enhances her features but also adds a youthful charm to her overall traditional aesthetic. Collaborating with makeup artists and brands, she often showcases the latest makeup trends while staying true to her style. Her influence extends to makeup choices, inspiring many to experiment with traditional looks. Over the years, we've witnessed her style evolution. From experimenting with bold colors to embracing a more classic palette, her makeup choices reflect her versatility and adaptability in the ever-changing world of fashion. It's not just the on-screen appearances. Sai Pallavi's behind-the-scenes glam moments often reveal her personal connection with the traditional looks she adorns. The transformation from makeup chair to the final look is a testament to the artistry involved. The actress is known for championing sustainable and handloom fabrics. Her choice of traditional outfits often includes organic cotton, khadi, and handwoven silk, showcasing her commitment to ethical and eco-conscious fashion. Beyond wearing sustainable fabrics, the actress actively promotes handloom weaving and supports local artisans. Her advocacy for preserving traditional weaving techniques aligns with her belief in promoting India's rich cultural heritage through fashion. In addition to supporting traditional craftsmanship, she occasionally incorporates upcycled and recycled elements into her outfits. This reflects her dedication to reducing the environmental impact of the fashion industry. Her influence extends to collaborating with sustainable fashion brands. By partnering with eco-conscious designers, she encourages her audience to make mindful choices, promoting a shift towards a more sustainable and ethical fashion landscape. Her commitment to sustainability goes beyond fashion. She actively engages in environmental activism, using her platform to raise awareness about the impact of fast fashion and encouraging responsible consumer choices. Recognizing the power of education, she also participates in initiatives that aim to educate people about sustainable fashion. Her efforts contribute to building a more informed and conscious community of fashion enthusiasts. Through her sustainable fashion choices, Sai Pallavi not only embraces traditional Indian attire but also celebrates the diverse and vibrant cultures across the country. Her wardrobe reflects a harmonious blend of cultural diversity and environmental responsibility. The actress exhibits a masterful command of color palettes in her traditional wardrobe. Whether it's the vibrancy of festive reds and greens or the subtlety of pastel hues, her selection of colors adds depth and emotion to each ensemble. One of her style signatures is her ability to balance contrasting elements. Be it contrasting blouse colors with saris or combining bold jewelry with intricate outfits, she effortlessly creates visual harmony in her traditional looks. Layering is a technique Sai Pallavi often employs to enhance the richness of her traditional outfits. Whether it's layering a dupatta with a lehenga or experimenting with multiple necklaces, she brings dimension to her looks. Texture is another dimension Sai Pallavi expertly incorporates into her traditional fashion. From the smoothness of silk to the intricacy of embroidery, her outfits often feature a delightful interplay of textures that catch the eye. Her mastery over draping styles adds a distinctive touch to her traditional sari looks. Whether it's the navy drape or a modern twist with a butterfly pallu, her choices contribute to the overall narrative of her fashion story. Having roots in both Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, the actress seamlessly weaves the traditional styles of these regions into her wardrobe. From the 9 yards of a Kanjivaram to the vibrant hues of Pochampalli, she celebrates the diversity of Indian textiles. Her inclination towards handloom fabrics is more than a style statement. It's a narrative. Each handwoven piece she adorns carries the legacy of skilled artisans, promoting the timeless artistry of traditional weaving techniques. Pay attention to the motifs and designs embellishing Sai Pallavi's outfits. Whether it's peacocks, lotuses, or traditional paisleys, each design holds cultural significance, telling a story that transcends mere aesthetics. The actress aligns her wardrobe with cultural celebrations and festivals. For instance, her choice of traditional attire during Diwali or Pongal not only showcases her festive spirit but also reflects a deep connection to cultural roots. The actress takes pride in representing her regional identity through fashion. The choice of specific traditional garments, be it the Kanjivaram sari or the Kasavu mundu, symbolizes her love for and commitment to the cultural richness of South India. Beyond the off-the-rack ensembles, she often adds a personal touch through customization. Whether it's bespoke blouses or unique draping styles, she weaves her individuality into each traditional outfit. The actress occasionally graces the screen in family heirlooms, showcasing a beautiful connection to her ancestry. These timeless pieces not only reflect her family's heritage but also emphasize the enduring nature of traditional attire. Beyond aesthetics, her traditional fashion choices convey a broader message. By embracing cultural symbols, supporting artisans, and promoting regional pride, she contributes to a positive social impact through her fashion influence. The blouse, often overlooked, becomes a canvas of creativity for Sai Pallavi. Whether it's a contemporary high-neck blouse or one adorned with intricate embroidery, her blouse designs elevate the entire traditional look. Her exploration of innovative draping styles sets her apart in the world of traditional fashion. From experimenting with unconventional sari drapes to showcasing the versatility of dupatta styling, she introduces a breath of fresh air to classic silhouettes. The devil is in the details, they say, and Sai Pallavi certainly pays attention. Intricate embellishments, whether it's zari work, sequins, or thread embroidery, adorn her traditional outfits, creating a visual spectacle of craftsmanship. Her keen eye for textiles is evident in her choice of fabrics. Whether it's the richness of brocade, the grace of chiffon, or the simplicity of cotton, she masterfully blends different textiles to create a harmonious visual narrative. The dupatta, often considered an accessory, takes center stage in her traditional looks. Whether it's a heavily embroidered dupatta or one with intricate lacework, it becomes a statement piece, adding drama and flair to her ensemble. Beyond traditional jewelry, she showcases her creativity through accessory layering. From waist belts to anklets, she plays with additional elements to enhance the overall impact of her traditional outfits. In the early stages of her career, Sai Pallavi often embraced simplicity in her traditional attire. Anarkali suits and subtle saris were her go-to choices, reflecting a grounded and relatable style. With the success of films like Premam and Fida, her fashion choices underwent a notable shift. She started experimenting with bolder colors, intricate jewelry, and diverse draping styles, marking a breakthrough in her style evolution. As the actress graced red carpets and award functions, her traditional red carpet looks became synonymous with elegance. From glamorous saris to contemporary lehenga ensembles, she showcased versatility and a refined sense of style. Collaborations with renowned designers further elevated her traditional fashion game. From Sabyasachi to Manish Malhotra, these collaborations showcased her as a muse for blending traditional aesthetics with contemporary flair. In more recent times, her traditional style has matured. She often gravitates towards timeless classics, emphasizing the beauty of traditional weaves, intricate detailing, and a subdued color palette that speaks volumes. Throughout her fashion evolution, one thing remains constant: her commitment to comfort and her ability to infuse a personal touch into every ensemble. This authenticity is a key element in her enduring appeal. And there you have it, a glimpse into Sai Pallavi's traditional fashion choices. She truly embodies the essence of timeless beauty and cultural grace. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.